Hey everybody, this is Kim with perryandkim.com. I'm going to show you how to reconcile your inbound shipments, because just in case you didn't know already, Amazon loses your stuff all the time. Yes, we have a reimbursement service. No, we don't do this particular service because you know better than we do if there were differences or mistakes in it. But you should definitely do it yourself, and it's really easy. So on Seller Central, go to Inventory, Manage FBA Shipments. On that page, you will see a list of all your shipments to Amazon. They have various statuses: closed, delivered, working, shipped, receiving. You are looking mainly at the ones that say closed. See this one? There are problems. You want to look at the number. We shipped 267 items. 269 items were received. They're saying they got 2 extra ones they weren't expecting. I don't think that's a problem. I'm not too worried about that. Let's go down to some more closed shipments. This one, we shipped 277. They say they only got 276. That could be a problem. Let's go take a look at it and see what happened. In this shipment, we want to go to the Reconcile tab. And in here we can see that they came up missing. There were supposed to be 3 of this item, and they only got 2. There's a discrepancy of 1. Amazon thinks they did a great job of counting these. They think they're right and we're wrong. If we want to dispute this one, we're going to have to go down and open a case. Sometimes they make it easier. Let's keep looking. It's definitely worth opening cases, but I don't really want to do that right now. This shipment, we shipped 4 items. They say they only got 3, and the status is closed. So let's go take a look at this one. Ignore the silly name there. Or don't. Have a good laugh over it, your choice. Okay, Reconcile tab. And in here we can see we shipped 1 item. They got 0, a discrepancy of 1, and we have an option. We can say, my bad, I didn't ship it, or we can say, it's missing, please research. They give you the opportunity to provide additional information, to upload documents like your receipt, or you can just preview your request and send it on through without any extra trouble. They may come back and ask for receipts, especially if this was an older shipment, but usually with recent ones, they don't bother too much about that. So we're done with that one. Let's go on down just a little bit more. This next one, we shipped 373. They received 371, and it's marked as closed. Let's take another look at this one. Go to the Reconcile tab. And once again, okay, in this one, even though it said there was a discrepancy, they later found the items and added them to our shipment. That's why the numbers match now. Shipped, located, no discrepancy for either of these SKUs. So even though it was marked as a problem on that shipment page, the problem has been solved already. Let's just check one more here for fun. Looks like this one is missing 3 units. So far you've seen 3 examples of how it can go. One was a problem where we need to open a case about it manually. One we were able to just request investigation, and one was actually not missing even though it was marked as missing. And in this 4th case, we can see again, we shipped 4, they received 1, a discrepancy of 3, and we get to select an option. Missing, please research. I'm not going to take the time to dig up receipts because they will probably reimburse me without them, since these are relatively recent shipments. On the older ones, you're almost always going to be required to give a receipt, anything over 60 days for sure. And that, friends, is how you reconcile your inbound shipments. If you haven't done this before, you're going to want to just scroll on down forever and ever and ever. You can go back up to 18 months on these, so definitely take a look. You can find a whole bunch of money all at once, and it is worth your while to take the time to open cases manually too. Just get a very basic template, say these units were missing from shipment ID, provide the SKUs, please reimburse. It does not take very long to do that, and you'll get lots and lots of money back this way. Goodbye. Go make some money.